Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome to the No Boss Empire channel. You're with me, Jarvis here. I'm super excited. Thank you all for joining me today. And in today's video, I am going to do a quick review on Motiony, which is a MotionNFTmaker. What is a MotionNFTmaker? It is a groundbreaking app for non-artists or artists alike to make motion NFT crypto art, which you can sell on eBay-like kind of sites to collectors and speculators, and forever collect passive income every time, or royalty every time your piece of art gets sold. Years and years and years and years and years and years and years to come. And that is why I am so excited to do a quick review on this. I think it's one of the best app that's available on the market right now. But you can tell me like, oh, NFT it's a bubble, it's burst. Seriously, NFT has just started. It is just at ground level at the moment. It only started the hype beginning of this year, and it is here to stay. If you quickly look at this news that just came out just today on the 24th of July 2021, you can go and find out. It shows how a 12-year-old made over 160,000 on Ethereum on NFT in one day. So what he did was he just started to make these little weird whale, they call it, and it just sold out within a day. So if you tell me the NFT is going to die, no. It is here to stay. It is still alive and is going, although it is not as hyped as the past couple of months when all the crypto tokens were up in crazy land, you know, up to the moon and all that stuff. Crypto art, it is here to stay. It's a kind of smart contract technology that links to the blockchain. You can sell all these your art on OpenSeas, like, you know, marketplaces like OpenSeas. You can check this out. Look at all these arts that are done by people. People are selling it. And the one I like to use is Wax. Wax is a Wax blockchain where you can upload NFT art to. Okay, this is the Wax blockchain, and the Wax blockchain has the lowest gas fees to upload NFT for sale. I will do another video on how to upload an NFT on Wax itself. So you can see all this motion art. Look at this picture, is moving. There's a bit of motion in there. So these are all the NFT. When NFT first came out, they were all static, which means they're just like that, you know. And after time, you've got the animated version, which catches people's eye, you know. And if you look at my inventory, I have made, like, these are all mine. I've made a couple and listed up on the blockchain. Okay, when you see all this, you know that blockchain is here to stay, which means NFT is here to stay. So today I'm going to talk about this app that helps you make NFT art. And if you join onto my link, I'm an affiliate of it. I will make a commission out of it. And because you're joining on my link, you will get access to all my super duper cool bonuses. Let me quickly show you what you get. So when you sign up with my link, which is the same price, even if you don't sign up, it's completely up to you. You get super cool bonus. Number one, which grow your profit fast with live video, a 6-figure business. You've got then bonus 3, 7 traffic sources. Bonus number 4, chatbot marketing mastery. Super cool number 5. Bonus number 5, Facebook marketing mania. Super cool bonus number 6, free Facebook traffic strategies. Super cool bonus number 7, how to get 100 followers on Instagram a day. Super cool bonus number 8, all my PRR, all my ebooks that you can get access to. Super cool bonus for TikTok marketing. Super cool bonus number 10 for warrior marketer. Super cool bonus number 11 for the power of social media stories for marketer. Super cool bonus number 12 for personal branding blueprint. Super cool bonus number 13, niche research. and you've got all these extra bonuses that's loaded up by Motiony itself once you get access to the software. Okay, so you get all these crazy bonus. So let me quickly go through on how simple this MotionNFTmaker is for everyone. So I'm going to quickly tell you that this NFT maker is basically use AI to generate motion onto your images. It can convert any photo, any images. It's easy to use, include free software upgrades. Who is MotionNFTmaker for? So they are usually used by three people: the collectors, the investors, and the speculators, and also the artists. Okay. And here I'm going to quickly show you a quick demo on how easy this is to use.
All right, here we are in the Motiony desktop software, and it's great. It's available for PC or Mac. So we'll go ahead and create a brand new animation, and we'll name it and select the picture that we want to upload. I've got some nice photos here, and in this simple and easy to use dashboard, look around. You got a bunch of cool options to customize and animate your picture. But you can add text, crop the picture, all kinds of hand tools, much more. We'll start by animating this picture, and here is what you do. First, click on the Add Animation Points. This is the movement. You click the areas you want to animate and drag it up. There you go. You can even change the speed and the style of the animation by clicking on the Animation Properties tab. And now, the great thing is you can export it right to your computer by clicking the Export button, and you can export your animation in multiple versions of file types: MP4, MOV, JPEG, PNG sequences, PNG, GIF files, even the FLV format. You set the number of times you want the animation to loop, and poof, there it is. Export it right onto your computer. Just like that, we have an animated random picture in just seconds.
So there you go. Wasn't that really simple to use? I know what I'll be doing, easily making NFT and loading up there. And here we can see those people who has used the MotionNFTmaker and loved it. Looking forward to try this software. What I watched, my niece has been selling her art online, but nothing like this. I'm in there to help her to sell more art. So it's great for artists. So there you go. 3 easy steps to make your NFT motion and get it up for sale. And here you can see all the before and after picture. Static picture, motion picture. How cool is that? Static picture, motion picture. Look at the fire seems to be alive. That's so cool. Okay. And of course, you want to know how much it's going to cost you to get this software. It's a one-off payment of $27, and this is just a pre-launch. It will increase, and after that, you'll get a couple of upsell depending on what you want in the software itself. It goes up to $57, and you can do unlimited amount of animation, and no matter how long the video is. And then you can go to upsell 2, where you get more. You can have more user to use onto the software. You get another upsell 3, which is more of an NFT, more templates for you to use. And then you've got another NFT maker for movies, which goes to another $67. So it is not much. It is a very small investment to create all your NFT. I think it's so exciting. I am already started to make some of these NFT myself. So there you go. That is the review for Motiony. If you're interested in getting onto the pre-launch price, get down to my link at the bottom where you can access all my bonus when you sign up with me. If you got any questions, please feel free to drop your questions down in the comment box, and I'm more than happy to answer them. If not, thank you all for watching. If you can subscribe to my channel, there will be more reviews coming up. It's super appreciative of what you guys do. Thank you once again. Stay tuned. Have a lovely day. See you guys.